Hello students, today we are going to learn 3rd class mathematics part 2 chapter 1, that is shapes. In previous video we have learnt about solid shapes, faces, edges, vertices and what are solid objects. This all we have learnt in our previous video. Today we are learning in part 2 about open and closed figures. What are open and closed figures? Today we are going to learn. The figures which can be drawn by starting and ending at the same point without lifting the pencil or chalk piece or pen, such figures are called as closed figures. If you are drawing any line or any drawing and in such a way that if you are starting from one point and if you are ending at the same point, such figures are called as closed figures. Examples are these. These are called as closed figures. Once again I will repeat. The figures which can be drawn by starting and ending at the same point without lifting the pencil, such figures are called as closed figures. These are the examples of closed figures. Okay. While we are drawing a drawing or a circle or any figures, we have to, where we are starting and where we are ending, the starting point and ending point should be the same. Such figures are called as closed figures. Next, coming to simple closed figures. Thus, closed figures which can be drawn in such a way that no two lines cross each other are called as simple closed figures. In closed figures, we have seen some figures. Here, this figure and this figure, these two figures, here two lines are meeting at some point. This is called point of intersection. This you will learn in your higher classes. In closed figure, like this points will be, like this lines intersection will be appeared, whereas in simple closed figures, there is no line intersection, means no two lines are intersected, no two lines are coming together are found. Once again I will repeat, the closed figures which can be drawn in such a way that no two lines cross each other are called as simple closed figures. Examples are circle and this rectangle and these shapes are called as simple closed figures. Next, coming to open figure. The ending point of figure are not connected. Such figures are called open figures. Till now we have learnt where we are starting and where we are ending the figure. The point should be same. Such figures are called as closed figures. And the where two lines are not meeting, means not crossing each other, such figures are called as simple closed figures. And here now we are going to learn open figures. The end point of the figure are not connected. Such figures are called open figures. Means we are drawing some figure, but we are starting at one point and we are ending other point. So this figure is called as open figure. There are some examples. These are the examples of open figures. Okay. Means where we are starting and ending, the point should be vary, means different. Such figures are called as open figures. Here open and closed figures are made up of straight and curved lines. These all figures are formed. These all figures are which we are drawing are made up of straight and curved lines. If we are looking, when we have a look on the closed figure, here we have some curved lines and some straight lines. Similarly, in simple closed figure also, here some curved lines and some straight lines. So these figures are formed with the help of straight and curved lines. Next, coming to tangrams. What are tangrams? Two large triangles, one medium sized triangle, two small triangles, one four-sided closed figure, neither it is square nor rectangle. So this shape is called as parallelogram, one medium sized square. So these 7 shapes are called as tangrams. Okay. This 7-piece set is a popular puzzle known as tangrams. The shapes of the tangrams are called tans. These are those shapes: 2 large triangles, 1 medium triangle, 2 small triangles, parallelogram and square. These 7 shapes are called as tangrams, and each of its shape is called as tans. One shape is called as tan. All shapes together are called as tangrams. Only one shape is called as tan. For example, here I am arranged these 7 tans as a hut. Okay. These 2 are large triangles. These 2 are large triangles. This is one parallelogram. These 2 are medium sized triangles. This small triangle, and this is a square. So, by taking these all 7 shapes, I prepared this hut. This is like a puzzle. It is a Chinese puzzle. Okay, once again I will explain. Tangrams, 2 large triangles. These 2 are large triangles. 1 medium sized triangle. 1 medium sized triangle. 1 4-sided closed figure. Here it is parallelogram. And 1 medium sized square. So, these 7 shapes are called as tangrams. This 7-piece set is a popular puzzle known as tangram. The shape of the tangram are called as tans. Okay, these all shapes this 7 shapes I have taken and I prepared one puzzle. No, this puzzle is called as tan. Okay, children. Now you got an idea about tangram. No, all 7 shapes are called as tangrams, and each of the shape is called as tan. By this we have ended our first chapter. What you have learned in first chapter is solid shapes. Examples of solid shapes are cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder and sphere. These are 5 solid shapes. For this you have learned flat faces, edges and vertices. And next you have learned open and closed figures and tangrams. Okay children, we will meet in the next class.